guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we decided to go with a pink look. So I was wearing pink and I'm just coming from off of the road, and I just thought, why not just, do it now? And I mean, everything's going on pink for me. I am drinking a pink thing. So I'm just going to show you guys what to do, how to achieve this look, if you just stay tuned. And thank you for coming back to episode 4. We have one more of Valentine's Day series, episode to complete. And then, who knows, the possibilities are endless. But stay tuned for my video.
Well, you can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it. Let them respect you for spend.
This is the look that we're going to be doing today. I decided to do something pink instead of red. It does have a bit of red in there. I don't know if you are able to tell, but there's still a bit of red in there. And I'm really loving this look. I mean, every time I film, I feel like the camera kind of washes out my color. But then when I take pictures and I do them in a lower light, it pops better. So this is still what we're going to be doing. We're just going to replicate this eye over here. So just stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how I achieved this look. So we're going to start out using the ColourPop. Is that the right way? This is the black and brown brow color pomade. And we're just gonna go in with that on the brows. So we're going to go in with our Revolution Conceal and Define C13 as usual. I don't even know why I even bothered to look at it, because I know that it's either the C13 C14 or C0. I'm just going to carry this all the way down. We're going to go in with the Revolution Soph X palette. This is what it looks like. These are the shades that's in there. So we are going to be using 21 first, which is the red shade. Then we're going to be using Enchanted, which is a brown shade. And then I'm going to dip into another palette for my other colors. Right, so I'm gonna go in with the Revolution C0. Don't even know if you can see that, but that is what we're going to be using. So I'm just gonna pop this on the back of my hand so it's easier for me to work with. Literally the only thing that I am doing is following the shape of my eye. And then when I get closer to here, I'm just going to bring it up. We are going to do this in reverse, so I'm going back into the Revolution Soph X palette, and I'm going to start with the brown shade, which is Enchanted, and then I will go in with the red shade, which is 21. So we're going to go in with an angle brush. This is, you know, any angle brush, and I am going to create my second layer, basically, is what I'm doing. So I'll start here. Right, so we've completed the brown, and we're going to go back in now with the red, which is 21. We're going to jump into the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette, and this is what it looks like. So we are going to be using the shimmer shade, which is Solstice. So now that that's completed, we are going to put the pink color above in the actual, where the actual concealer is. So we're just going to put the pink in there. We are using Dippy from this palette, which is the pink, the bright pink. Okay, so this is the eye completed, and I'm just going to line and put on my lash and all that good stuff, and do my base off camera, and then I'll come back. We can have a look at the finished product together.